Hey CroCode family, what's up? Welcome to the first part of Versus Triple series. We're gonna create 3 portfolio with 50 lines of code, 500 lines of code, and finally 5,000 lines of code to see the difference. And the final result is outstanding. So I've created the folder with the name 50 versus 500 versus 5,000. And without any time killing, I opened it with cursor editor and I started creating the first portfolio. When I started working on the project, I suddenly reached the limit. And I was like, so seriously, after taking 2 minutes on the project, this is how does it look? And we reached to the 50 lines of code limit and it looks exhausted, man. But I knew it would happen. So let's go to see how does the 500 coded portfolio will look like. So without any time killing, I started the 500 coded portfolio. I didn't want to exactly create a simple portfolio. So after I created the file, a good idea comes to my mind. I didn't want it to just be a simple portfolio. So I tried to create a full web page as my own portfolio. Obviously, we cannot create a very good web page with 500 lines of code. But this is the final result for the first 2 hours. And I know, it is still beta styles because it's just 250 lines of code. But in the next 2 hours, I tried to update the style and details. And this is the final 500 lines of code project. After 2 hours working on the 500 coded portfolio, I think the exact 500 lines of code project is so much better. Actually, it's 10 times better than its last version, as you can see, and also from its first hour version. And as you can see, I've added a lots of new details to all things, and I think now we can call it a good project. Not bad and not professional, just good. Alright, now we create the 500 lines of code project successfully. But let's be serious about the 5,000 line code portfolio. The main challenge isn't just writing 5,000 lines of code. The challenge is how do you find 5,000 lines of code to write for a portfolio project? Let me simplify it. Programming a single game character, that's maybe 200 lines of code tops. But a full game like GTA V, that's millions of lines. And that's our problem. Most portfolio ideas don't have 5,000 lines of code of potential. They just don't need that much to work. So the real test isn't just coding. It's using your creativity to create that potential. We have to get creative, build features that aren't necessary but are impressive, polish every detail, and stretch a simple idea into a deep one. The point is this: the 5,000 line goal forces you to think bigger. It's not about filling a quota. It's about proving you can build something with more depth than the idea first suggests. So let's go to implement this. It's been 6 hours I've been working on it, and I think about 2 hours later I can finish it for the first day. So actually after 8 hours, this is the final result, as you can see, and it took around 900 lines of code, as you can see here, 962, and we have a lot of way to reach to 5,000 lines of code, and most of the time have spent on the idea. And I was thinking which kind of thing we can do here and what we can implement. So the thing that I just understood, that we don't have a portfolio builder AI. So I've choose to create a builder like an AI to create a portfolio for users. And finally, as you can see, this is like this. And let me show you the result and how it will generate the portfolio for you. Actually, when you write the information here and when you click on the generate portfolio, it will show these. And as you can see, I've created a portfolio for myself and the preview looks like this, and it doesn't look that good, but you can download it and use it in future. And also you can start over the project, and we are going to work on the style and how to work with the AI, designing and all the thing. And also the result portfolio that it gives us is not that good, and the style is not something amazing. All people can create it, and this AI should create a portfolio much more better. But this is the first day, and see you on the next day. So after another 6 hours, it's finally done. I think the final result looks better and better and better. I already have some ideas for tomorrow to make it completely looks like AI, and we can generate very good portfolio. And now I try to make it more like an AI, that we can chat with it. Like when you click on the start building, it's an AI assistant, and ask about, hey there, I'm your AI portfolio assistant and ready to start. And we also have some quick answers down here, and I click on yes, let's go, and it will need some information to get from me. And in the top right we can see that how much progress we did, and I give it my name and my information, and after I complete it I will come back. As you can see, portfolio ready. Your amazing portfolio has been created successfully. It asked some question from me, and finally gather all information and create this. Let's download it because we don't have the preview button right now, and I need to implement this side of the code till tomorrow and make it complete. So it's actually the thing that is right for us. Let's connect. This is the portfolio. It also needs some progress to make it better, but if you compare it with the yesterday portfolio, as I'm showing it in the screen, they change a lot, and we can obviously see that how much they different from each other. So let's go for the tomorrow work, and I think I have some idea to finalize it. I will continue it by tomorrow. Bye bye. Day 3, the magic day. This voice is recording after video recording process, and I'm telling you, the final result is something you've never seen. Don't think? Let's see. So guys, you can easily see that how much progress we had till here. The background is some dots that are motion and glowing, and I try to make something, when you come to the website for the first time, it gives you the vibe that this website created for an AI feature, and I don't know how to explain it, but it gives that vibe. And it's still not on the domain, but if the video just get 10 likes, because I really want to take the website on the production and in GitHub for developers that want to get the source code of this project, or even CodePen, or I will deploy it on Vercel to make it visible for everyone to use it. So if this video just get 10 likes, just 10 likes for you that watch till here, I will deploy it on production mode so everyone can use it. And when we come here to see the start building, right now we don't have any load save portfolio, so we just click on start building. As the progress we had in the previous day, it gives some prompts to get information from us, like I'm here say let's do this. So it asks about our names here, and I write my name. The A should be lowercase, and yeah. And now it wants a theme color, so I choose to surprise me because I don't have any idea for now, and I think everything is finished. Choose your layout. I click on creative. Now that everything is finished, we are on the optimizing images and adding final touches. I just wanted to give the final version and creating your amazing portfolio. And let's see how does it look when we click on preview, opening your beautiful project. And yeah, it actually looks awesome, man. I really love it. How does it create this? Get in touch. Also, we didn't write some information. If we wrote them, it would be really looks better. And also when we come out from this page and we click on load save portfolios, and we can see that our portfolio is here. So guys, I just hope you enjoy from this part of versus triple versus. I don't have any idea for the name right now, but the only thing I know, this 5,000 coded project, the last one was one of the most beautiful projects I ever created on all my web developing career. So if you enjoyed this video as well, please like the video. I actually took 4 days especially for the last project, and I just hope you enjoyed. So if you did, please like the video. So if this video just get 10 likes, I would take it on the production mode and all people can use it for their portfolio. And no more thing to say, but I have a surprise for you on the outro. So let's go to see the outro. At first, thanks for watching till here, and the surprise is for each like that this video get to code, for each comment that this video get 3 code, and for each subscribe that this video get 5 lines of code. It means each person can easily make 10 lines of code, and for each of them in the last 30 days I would create a full video that I'll create a game for one of the most beautiful YouTubers, not Speed, or maybe Speed, I don't know, but I'll create a game for them for on the total amount of these lines of code. I just hope it won't be like 5,000 lines of code, and if it be more than it, I think I'll destroy. So also don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel, because this action, it won't take any money or take any time from you. It will just makes me happy and show this video to more people that would enjoy from this kind of content. And also I'll read all comments and suggestions that you have, so please don't forget them. Thanks for watching till here. I'm Saman from CroCode team, and love you all CroCode family. Bye bye.